Bantafo no moko entafo mi no beto aban de ese ehwe ni yi because if you confirm kromuti me ko ho nti ese ehwe ni yi
ye obi biati ampp de no giso onya
ba beto aba
beto ampp ba onya ehwe mi ama benefit anka me gina ha ma benefit
na to ade
mi get crash
abato ne ya to awie kra obi anye din ya to awie kra aba ato ansa na bepi ba wo mi ane obi eto aba ma no unia wontoma ba wo mi apeba bitina
ye eyezua na ma ye eyeza ema eliklim akugu o kwa benya constitution.
Bawumia is going to be declared as the president of the Republic of Ghana. Possible. It is possible everywhere. We are voting for Dr. Ahajima.
Right, I was already a PMO Madina constituency. Zongo Junction. Na ye be jama for adwenture e de afa election 2024 kakra na ye koto abane yi mampani e na afensu mrahye bedwafo ahodoe na say ye be jama for adwenture e de afa ho say hina e na edi nkunim say ye to aso ana say ye system kame ho na ye ndi amafo adwenture emfamfa saa asem bi say yi e ho mosofo abna oso a amufa enie tap 10 e na aso ya say and I had the train at the Ebersum, if you Madina constituency coming home, Lion Quadimbra. There are quite bad parties. I can't crab near Cotuaba. Yes, someone I say, young queen.
To us, better about me.
Policy Ben Pan and Dawakuma Sunta Betuaba.
I say, policy, I don't want to come and tell me, say, better about me, and say, I can free education. If I say, I'm more to us, be a benefit to be. I don't think I'm say to us about me.
And there will be a benefit from it,
like first, you know, my bush, I'm about 5. I'm free education. First, you know, now. Kofopi nya sakunyano ba na no I say obia wo sakunyano ere okobinti e pese o twaso mai
number 10
number 1 na de ko
abato ne ya to awie kra obi anye din ya to awie kra aba ya to ansa na bepi ba wo mi ane obi eto aba ma no unia wontoma ba wo mi apeba bitina e party a ye nya mfaso wo ma ne eto aba ma no de won fa policy bi ama de ye to aba ma obia masem wa
ya to awie de dada
ya to awie
number 10
number 1 no obi atoma number 1 wontoma na wa trawo dem ko ba bia wo pe me de tumi ne de minim se nyo oteso no ono betimi afa because e bia ne normal pa bi oye na manfo age na tumi yase wa bomu na kire wado media me no me hwe me botomu asama to aba no because come de me ko gina wiem san ko to aba no 10% ni ntimi
say wo show botomu na na
ana ka meto ama ni oda 13 no kura last one no on the meto ama no
to beto ama
ala ndie
but now say Ghana for beto ama you number 1
okay obi pe number we bi super number 8 bi pe number 7
okay
said the ye nyina ko school ye ntimi ni first mum ndi eden aba ko ne be di first nti wa be wi ni no asomdie boko bantafo no moko entafo mi no beto aba ndie ese ehwe ni yi because if you confirm kromuti me ko ho nti ese ehwe ni yi
I
confirm kromuko to kwa nti
but what about so ba obema mo nkoko anyen
ani esesia na akoko ne de enka o de carton ne bre esesia se ya wi a because from now to December no emu eketua bi me be ya akoko ba na tambe makunawe nti no it doesn't make sense me de na metima aka no e hu hia kra o akoko ni nnam bi de bre a o fa akoko carton obi ameje ne de na ye hu sa ye kuta nam no me ne me ire ne me ko wi bi na me be ya akoko ba so to no owu e me mini buo mini akoko buo afa na mkoto feedi abra miniska o ene emware kura on cancer foforo why
Etwaso
then am I
Etwaso
then am I maybe a policy bi wa ato akoma so pa
rebele
ba ku ben pa na ato akoma so
emle digita
na okay
na education
okay the Etwaso
na Ghana kwa nyenya okay nya pa omkase Ghana eden Ghana nyeden ye
okay
egma wo ye no ma woni ko ho ana yindi ye ana trempo no Ghana highway. Ghana ye flee. Utu kwa mama nso kwa omusu. America ye share Nigeria mpo Nigeria kura no. Nigeria mo na Ghana omo tumba Ghana say omo kan say Ghana ye ade because Ghana economy na ye ko France ko share ko US ko share omo so fa tene enya o abagina wiem ko fia light that's 24/7 ya no time obekona dum so obagina wiem ko fia isa ofle isa say light o wana light ni o until no to me there we are moving forward. It is possible coming live.
Obeto aba fi obeto aba
meto aba pa
na oto aba obeto aba mahina
me to ama JM yeah
ade nti na oto ama JM
because onu ba improvement here the eba system no ye Facebook e ma ye driver for ye djuma ye nyesika ye djuma ye nyesika hwe ye yerem ne ye manum ye djuma ye hu imputu bebre de o ya sitinam
nti no susu say 7 December obedi nkunim
me amedi nkunim ye frame Victor Mugabe Madina Mugabe aka Victor 1 me ye delegate so until me to aba ewo aboko bi me to ama JM me ye eyezua na ma ye eyeza ema elipim akugu o kwa benya kwa so shi
na fi beto aba
Why not?
Now who show us system to aba hina na beto aba
How can I be in this terrible situation?
Sir.
I go and vote for this government, this MPP government.
Into what system?
Why not? I'm the same.
If
there's certain crop number 8. There's certain crop no a woman me do too much.
Sir.
Started me train started no a woman me too much.
Tunya yanke da bay.
Minya crop kaneya.
Keneya how to aba.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Anyway, ni abre.
Many abripa because instead you the taxi drivers we have find it very difficult. Just a taxi, the engine that we used to buy formerly Muhammad time less than 2,000. Ask me how much am I buying the engine now? Over 10,000.
Wow.
Where on this the common taxi driver going to get the 10,000 from to buy the engine? Where Muhammad time it was less than 2,000. Look at the petrol increment. We thought President Akufo-Addo will come and do something for us, something better for us, but I'm very unfortunate. The man disappointed us. So we have to change and then put the MPPs somewhere and bring the NDC back into power.
Okay, so we are going in for number...
But you know the number already.
Oh, tell me.
That's the number 8.
Okay.
Yes. It's about
then never more to aba.
because Niaman Koyima, your petrol boy, your gas boy, who come back is tomatoes, Kamubuabu, first 20 cities, here 50 cities. Into your own side, and Master, Madam, in fact.
See, you book any money, your best system.
Oh, your best system,
Sir.
your best system.
Some number saying.
Number 8.
Okay.
And one never call. Me, they even cry, to be frank, me sure I cry number 8.
Sir.
To be men Canada.
Oh, then
Me sure I cry number 8. Me sure I cry number 8. Me met to a manupa.
It's your buy say MPP the policies not the buy no. I'm talking.
Or better die.
Sir.
Or better die pa serious. Niama o kan nyina krampo ye 0.
Okay.
Me to be frank me hu dia o ye krampo. Niama dada we ye friends Jomama ye 2 ho no. Onu a na o picture e di kire mafo say onu na ye onu ye ne. E bi kra na da ho is dey. Nti ampa.
It's number 8 na.
Number 8 na na be.
Fi ubeto aba there.
so me to pa me man some to aba
Okay. Nti sha afi hina na befa.
me dia me MPP ni ba be da kwata de shame but mo gide say ndis be wini
Sir, adenti na wakasa.
last year strong o man mo din amagana
Sir, who changes bia?
wo san bia wo mo gide say ndis be fa ba wini
7 to beto aba ma wana.
MPP me to ma no
Ubeto ama MPP no so say NDC ne be.
wo gide ma ndisi
Sir.
sare me hunu o makoma mu
Nti no omo policies omo di go akwa mu no eya MPP for policy dey pa na ta wa kuma so
de ta ko na so school we no ay kama ba system na on kire no da bia no amu ye de ne okoto you got say you got falsely
sir
about when you be biati MPP there no just onya
ba obeto aba
to MPP ba onya
Oh, me mom dey about on dey me say mento.
adentia
Said your man, your parents, and Gassa Mikoto, one and Mikoto Ama.
If someone to be better to Amawo,
there be men Koto, some man to Naka also want to know beyond to her. No more beside the entire Antono.
First, no be yes, Democrat,
anti-me policy, they are meant to.
Into Sha, he never fabe.
Oh, me meant to know, me meant to me predict it will be better as well being fine.
Your mind, Bapa,
oh, me, your mamma, but send them by some young met him in your home. So me told me, your man told me, quite for so many into said the animal boy, echo do no. Some man, you might mean to me, Shammy, Honey Mebusia. And Abana me cotton, the American person, the Omi and the Amwam, and the men cotton.
So now a MPP for free education, one benefit.
Me Banya do SS, into no one benefit.
Now, baby.
Oh, I'm quiet, but it's free education, and you know, one policy. Yeah, you should because I know my boy, they not meant to be an Yedumeska. Maybe you cause commitment to turn your mamma and uncle.
Yes, someone I acquire.
Oh, Mimi, who say me who they meant to mando, so when you know I pet. Oh, and strong one. Oh, and strong one. And strong one. Oh, the Fabia. Yet, did a Fabia? I say, Midam to dear. I didn't know. Oh, me knew them got to a man was so moon. I mean, would your better send a young uncle? Okay, baby, until they jam over more monto. But who got to know whom Fasubia was say, ya sense of a wakoto. It didn't Antonas or mobile name, Mahama, and they borrowed the doom sauce by them. Baumiano so banners or no sorry doom so board, then they're born yet. If it's a name of born under concerns and a shida. Or Babanaga say, Kada Hobechia. Or when another bag I just accompanied it, yet I want to Muntina, over to Omayo more, and not necessarily a German from Mamma.
And Ukrainian, I mean, a mini abripa. FSA, Vice President, since 1992, we haven't seen an effective and hard-working vice president like Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Oda we chia share overpass way. Every past years, no accident. SCC wa Madina Hanu Papa. Students every single month. We are counting say cars both students who are quite way so. With the exception of students, nani pa muchwe mo hase. Kakra naka abobi. But now those accidents have been reduced. That is the carpet of the NPP. Sa na yepe. Oba mimi say ma mintima attended free SHS. But my sister's firstborn has been able to attend SHS and he has completed. I am very happy about that. If not chop money, you are not paying for school fees. When we come to third, Oba, some free SHS way, or more normal to me afford the entry for school fees. No, I done a yibia emo omunia jibesine. And you know, Sami simin to Abama Bawumia. Why number to Abama? If you go to my village, they have started an SHS. We have been waiting for this SHS for past years, but this MPP government, they started from scratch. They build it and they finish it. As I'm talking, go there and see. Students are enjoying over there. Capitation is not there. Someone came and cancel what's the name? Instead of you to attend Kenkele Hospital with your national health insurance, you cannot attend unless Odi Ayewo eyi legono. Ahona obeko. Okay, me mami yare sisia. Na nidin wa legon wa mami o, but Kenkele wa haya. Ebia me di ne bedu legono, ebia na wa wo. Banka eye sana MPP aban we ye wasi wo a okra national insurance for hospital bia wo pe mimpa we eden na mi pe enti ye to aba e ma Bawumia. This man is good on education, infrastructure and everything. Tamale have an international airport today. I'm very comfortable with that because I'm a northern guy.
ordinary achire ba mahama full vice president for 4 years, president for 4 years, northern region. What can he appoint for us? Nothing. So we are voting for vice president. And inshallah, today, as we are saying, on 7th December up to Monday, which is going to fall on the 9th, Bawumia is going to be declared as the president of the Republic of Ghana. Possible. It is possible everywhere. We are voting for Dr. Ahajima.
Abandon totally system wa wie. Mama de wa winner we because me show my system am the twaba.
Okay.
Because Mahama tam no na nyama na me tono. Na 7 minutes. Since 32 minutes. 32 minutes. Nti me tono se na me so me nya kakra oso.
It would you say oba ye betete so.
As sample. One titi so kura on your limit se my square ye pe.
Okay.
Because COVID about be come to on taswa. MPP no nkasa no MPP no MPP for tomato amano mi nya bie. Nti no ka de be favor no. Yeah.
Jale trace MPP for tomato.
O mi ni yani mo mu. Yani mo mu. 100 million yani mo mu. Nti yanso no Ghana first. Ya no nya sa nyama na pe. Ghana first na adwen ho. Me Ghana first na adwen because Mahama Tam me hu say obia didi. Me hu say Mahama Tam no obia didi obia enjoy. But right now the scanner akodiro oni obi ni mu bottom. Oda se sikano akodiro obi bottom. Me so ankura ni tisemi. Ankura ni tisemi amejina hai. Me ntimi ko fana ntimi hwe me yire ne me ma. We say Mahama Tam na 7 minutes. Say 32 minutes.
Okay, into someone now.
Just Mahama de wa winner we has that. Number 8. Number 8 nanako. Number 8 on wa winner we. Saturday kokromati we na be chese we have power pass than them.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, amu chimi so say amu be wiam so e be che amu say you to so. Ya boda mu so no mu street. Yeah, was street. Ya boda mu so no mu kra.
Me ma catch a lot time. Dimitri for kwa be catch me oh, we lose that.
Sir, I didn't see. I didn't see no one.
I didn't slip train.
Sir, so buy us about me about power. One benefit from the policy beyond.
My benefit and committee. My benefit.
Not one dear.
Me get the crash.
Sir, I didn't hear.
Hey, Kai, Nana, your man, Grammy,
sir, it's also
hey, my sister, long time ago.
Cinema 8 now.
Oh, yeah, over Jenny Guavia Manuel. On my way.
Okay.
Yeah, Kai is also my catcher. Mammy,
yes.
Can you? I didn't mean the guitar. And yet the guitar, mean the guitar. Go, Mama. All the way.
Okay.
Go, Mama.
Okay.
Oh, that one.
To us.
I didn't see now to us.
Oh, you see, we are the world has become a global world. And Ghana can't global world na account. And the Empenko Kwankete. Memper and comic shoto.
Okay. Today now pay.
Me pay the guitar.
The guitar na ha.
And one ampe.
Okay. It's in the policy is not there go akwam. We need your power.
Manage on.
Okay. Cinema sign echo.
Number 1.
Okay. Yera wase pa.
Yes, madam wase.
Pastor Beka Viviana.
Number 8.
Pastor ya to answer na yesisem.
Yesisem.
Sa adenti yesisem.
John Mama e pera.
Sa adenti.
Emu edin
Iti ombra.
Mama mbra. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Yeah, to us.
Okay. It's no Osha the policies no dey go akwam. Dem pa na da wakoma so.
They so ba our bada. So yeah, they all ya ni na ya.
They be say the policy for go akwam o. It's dem pa na da wakoma.
Ni na ya fe.
Ni na ya.
Ni na dia ni policies ni na ya.
Ti na ma say na eko.
Number 8.
Okay.
Number 8.
Okay.
Me de anka ka me nkwa de anka yensisem.
Na ho nambra.
Okay, me nimbat me since me yeah the NDC MPP na by who change bia. Omo be yeah ni dabre o market inside e work kwa ho. Abaye na on ba be on be highest na wo kwa ha na wo ba. Ntino me pe obi a obe bua ya e wo ye ni dabre wo inside. Ah oba be bua ye bia e be nya be bia ye be yesu yasum beje ye be nya ye bi ye business aye
aha hina nkofo 12 na obalo shit so sha hina
sa de omo nyina omo ba omo be kasa fefefe but okodi so a de oka nyina wo hu hwe
what's all kasa MPP ni this bank ye form nto nche na ka from right wo no me de hina na ka ope
okay me ni mo bia sa mo but me hu young guy bi
cheda
aha ebia onu ye youth die ebia na wabua aha
tu ona beto aba ma
me ntimi nkyere maji edu ho a
sebe ni nyina ya depa ba dem nyanke ye beto asomo
sa adetia
se Mahama Baba one time penalty. Okay. Baba me aba or 2 times. So 3 times kwa. So I don't say no obibia obet my baba we 1 time no. They are no bet my. They no me the time see am
Okay. In the policies or the go akwam na ko ye ma wo.
We be.
Yeah, pa net down at all.
Digitalization there. Mama so 24 economy. Ni nyina ye.
Say na ka beto ade sa o. Now.
O say pesca. But I will be a Yasikono. I say, I think it out.
I can see you are wearing it is possible.
Yes, it is possible because I know it can make it possible. Okay. That's why I'm wearing it.
What have you seen so far?
Because I have seen the project that you have at hand at Zongo Junction. At the banner they put, the project they have done, the buildings and everything that you have done for them. That's why I know that it is possible. You can take them and do more great things. If you don't give him the chance, he will do more things, and he will make it to be possible.
So are you sure coming December he will win?
Yes, that is sure. He will win. There is no doubt about it. He will win. Yes, it's certain. He will win. It's possible. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Opening Pastor Yashasi. Pastor coming 7 December. Aka 4 days. Near Kotuaba. Ofrese ne awie boy ne oman ya. Yes, someone na ye koye.
Oman say ye. Oman mo de.
Emode.
Yeah, to aso.
Na me mu aye de.
Oh. So omo wani ko adwuma ye ho a. Only the problem. The bounce school. 1 or 2 things pen ya beto de aka ina. Nembo kai free intermediate.
Cinema say ko.
Oh na den. Na me ka say me kesi we some number bi.
Say so wo number.
And grani be say ko bi.
Okay. Yeah, to aso.
Yeah, to aso. Yeah, to aso. Yeah, to aso.
Abusiafo na hye so mafo adwenkyere a ye koje ye no eno ene ye de besom mu e wa de party TV no na chese enche bia na ye koto aba ye be pie mu e o Madina constituency eye Zongo Junction bidi di abna owusu amofa na hye tap send ene so ya sen ene ye de adwenkyere nyina e de besom mu e free Madina constituency makram ye be sen hye biem e wa de party TV.
A very big hello to all our lovely Tap Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Tap Send is there, and you will know that right now you are not able to use Tap Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we Tap Send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say though that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say though is, just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions. We are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build TapTapSend to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build TapTapSend. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
TapTapSend. Papa no.